In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Shopify store. This is a useful feature for when you want to prevent the general public from accessing your store, which can be particularly handy during development stages or private sales events. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Shopify dashboard where you manage your store. Look over to the left-hand side, and you'll find a menu with various options that allow you to customize and control different aspects of your online presence. From this menu, go ahead and click on Online Store. This section is where you manage everything related to the storefront, including your themes and pages, and it also houses the settings we need for this task. Once you're in the Online Store section, you'll notice an option called Preferences. Click on Preferences, and this is where you can tweak some fundamental settings of your store. It's a bit like your admin control center for basic but crucial elements of your online shop. Scroll down until you spot the section that says Password Protection. This is the key to protecting your store from the public eye. Now, what you'll want to do is to enable password protection. There should be an option you can toggle or check to activate this feature. This is basically your store's doorman, only letting in those who have the secret password. Speaking of which, go ahead and set a password of your choosing. Remember, this is what you'll share with those you want to grant access to your store, so make sure it's something secure yet memorable for those you share it with. Once you've set your password, which acts like the private key to your digital shop, it's absolutely crucial to save your changes. Look around for a Save button, typically positioned near the bottom or top right of the page. Click that button to lock in all your settings. Without saving, your new password protection won't be applied and the store will remain accessible to everyone. And there you have it. You've now successfully locked your Shopify store. By taking these steps, you've ensured that only those with the password can browse and shop in your store. This is perfect for keeping your shop under wraps until you're ready to launch to the public, or for limiting access to a select group of people, such as during a private sale for special customers. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. Remember, if at any time you want to disable the password protection, just follow these steps again to remove the password requirement. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!